live color. You got 5,000 watt. We saw 40% off on the ultra torque impact wrench. Today we have the 25 things you should be buying at the Harbor Freight on the parking lot sale. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Let's go ahead and get started. There's a whole bunch of stuff we have to cover. We got 30% off on all these Apache cases. These are very comparable to the Pelican. There's all sorts of different sizes and colors. I'll show you guys some more variety throughout the video. But yeah, 30% off out of all of these. That's a really good deal, especially for these bigger ones once you get to the bigger price range. And yeah, on the jacks, $89 down from $119. That's a really good deal. $129 if you want the ones with color a little bit nicer. $199 for the Avanti airless paint sprayer. That's a really good one. I do have that one. Sprays really well. I painted all the inside of my house with that. $169 for the ultra torque impact wrench. This is very comparable to the Milwaukee high torque impact wrench. If you want to save yourself some money, go with that one. Definitely choose that one. $64 for this pressure washer. This is actually a pretty good pressure washer. Not the best, but it is a really good one. You gotta buy one, get one free. You buy any of the tools, get a free battery. That's a really good deal for these 12 volt. All the ratchets are excellent. I do recommend it. $89.99 for this universal portable bandsaw benchtop stand. Guys, this is a killer item. If you guys want to convert your bandsaw basically to a benchtop or a miter, some sort of miter saw. $34.99. I've seen these used by professionals. Definitely recommend these. Nothing but good things about these. I don't know, the guys. It's $34.99 for professionals. That's just a crazy deal. $99 for this shop fan. Not necessarily the craziest, but pretty good for the shop. You got a drill press here. This is $73.99. Was $89.99 for the 8-inch 5-speed drill press. Pretty good deal. $149 for the 6-inch swivel vise with anvil pipe jaws. So these are really nice. Definitely check these out, guys. They're probably one of the cheapest you guys could get them. The gloves, guys. If you're a mechanic, go 7 mil or up. If you're just doing quick cleanup or chemical spray, go 5 mil. 5 mil is okay. But yeah, these are all 50% off. $5.99 for the 5 mil, $7.49 for the 7 mil, $8.49 for the 9 mil. Definitely recommend you guys go for the 9 mil or the 7 mil for the heavier duty use. $8.49 for this one. This one's actually a pretty dang good welder. Vulcan, you guys know Vulcan is solid. And then if you're DIY, if you just want to stick up some metal together, $78.99 will get it done with this Chicago Electric welding. Got a welding cart. This is very inexpensive, and it does what you need. $32.99, very expensive. From $49.99 on this parking lot sale. And then all the open box items, I will show you guys some more later on through the video, but this is one of the sections that they have. They got this sander. The sander's $129. So there's gonna be up to 75%, I believe, off on these things on Sunday, and they're gonna keep going on as a discount every day basically. Keep in mind, guys, that if you don't have the Inside Track Club membership, deals for you, they don't start until Friday, so you're able to shop on Friday. Everybody else that has the Inside Track Club can shop before, which is today, Thursday. So yeah, solar panel, guys. This is actually a pretty dang good deal. 100-watt solar panel, $89.99. It's even cheaper than some of the Amazons that they call them, you know, the best bang for your buck. $8.99 for this 5,000 watt inverter generator. Now this one's a dual fuel. I'll show you guys a little bit of more detail on that. $189 for this auger, and I'll show you guys again what this looks like. A little bit more features in it, but it is a 6-inch diameter bit and 2 horsepower, 152 cc. And here's some more colors for those and more options for those. $198 for this weather resistant tarp. Just keep in mind that's a very light duty tarp. 1700 lumen for $16.99. That's a really good deal on this one. You guys could throw some rechargeable batteries in there and you're good to go. Same thing with this one. Throw some rechargeables for that $5.98. Harbor Freight does sell rechargeable batteries, and they do have a lot of options in regular batteries as well, very cheap. You got 400 lumen. I do have this one. This one works excellent. Uh, 4 years already on this one. $12.99. $39.99 for this 10,000 lumen 4 feet linkable shop lights. That's actually a pretty good deal. If you want to link a couple of those in the shop, that's the way they look. The boxes. I know it's hard to see, but all those. Got the fly swatter. This is $2.49. If you got those bugs, camping and all that stuff, you want to hear those pop like popcorn. All right, you got the moving blanket there, $4.98. Not too bad if you're moving or if you need just something to make a quick oil change or get yourself. Actually, not a bad thing to have in the truck if you in case you have a flat or something. You don't want to get dirty. You're going out to a party or something. You got the ratcheting tie downs. These are solid, guys. $5.96 for that price. Not even Home Depot has them for that price. I believe when they have them on sale is like $9. These are $5.96. That's a killer deal on that one. 64 on this one. This was actually a pretty good deal. 800 watt capacity hand truck. Now I had one of those for like the longest time ever, and it still works. Just the tires. You have to put like the green. What is it called? The slime on the tires, or get some flat free. The winches, guys. There's a whole bunch of winches. You did see the other one earlier. This was $2.99 for that 12,000 pound. As a matter of fact, somebody just took the last one since I was there filming this video. You got an auto feed drain cleaning drum machine, $3.49. This is one of the newer items, and then it's already on sale on this parking lot sale. Check out this. This is $49.99. These are really nice adjustable stools, different colors. You can mix and match with your toolboxes, your jacks, whatever. This is the 5,000 watt we saw earlier, but this is a little bit more in detail. You got the recoil start there, and it does have the big 5,000 on the side. Some nice wheels. $8.99 is the price, of course, with a big discount from $10.99. It is the dual fuel super quiet inverter generator. And as you guys do see, you got the dual fuel right there. It tells you the specs. You can switch from fuel or propane there to the right. This is the pressure washer that's on sale. This is $299. It's $26.50 pressure, PSI, 2.4 gallons per minute. Anything with the Predator generator, this thing is solid. So $189 for this one. This is a 2 horsepower. This is the AGA. That's what it looks like. Pretty nice. It is a 2-person. It's going to be on the heavier duty side. $19.99 for this folding side table with this chair. You got $3.98 for the flag. You got the fly sweater. Do not buy these, guys. These do break. They do fall apart. Do not buy them. They're trash. At least the ones that I have, they are, unless they fixed it. But hopefully, let us know in the comment section if you buy any of these tools, and they're trash, by the way. But so far, so good from what I heard. So $94.99, except for those, those hex keys. $24.99 for these. These are really, really good deals for 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting stands. Different colors available, any color to choose from. I would start early because sometimes the nicer colors do sell out first. So $129 for the 3-ton low profile jack. We did see it earlier, but here it is in live color. You guys could look at the different colors that they have. These are really nice. I personally have the orange one, and if you don't want to spend so much, go with this one, guys. This one's cheaper. It is the same thing basically, but not nicer colors, by the way, or not nicer colors. So $94 on that one. And if you guys didn't check out my last video, we did a video on this. Buy any 2 tools for $99. This is a killer deal on that one. 40% off on all the ratchets, guys. You guys know they're gonna be remodeled or replacing all these ratchets. But guess what? If one of these breaks, according to the Den of Tools, one of these breaks, later on you can switch it for a newer one, the newer style. So these are all lifetime guarantee. Same thing with the ones on the top there, the 1/2 inch, and then you got the stubbies there. All the sizes for the stubbies: 3/8, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. $99.99 for the 301 piece Masters Mechanics tool set. They should call it Masters. $149 for this inverter, guys. If you guys have sensitive equipment, computers, motors that are sensitive, go with the nicer one with the pure sine wave. Jump starter there or charger there for $27. $8.98 for this gravity feed spray gun. That's very good for some smaller projects. You got some more open box sales that are going to be, 40, 50, 70% off on these as time goes by. I believe Sunday is going to be the day that's going to be mostly discounted. So $129 for this titanium flux 125. $84.49 for this flux 125 from the Chicago Electric. Then they got this one, which I don't even know what it is. It's a hardwood finish, professional 16 gauge, probably a nailer. You got $44.99 for a reciprocating saw with a plug-in. And then you got this $136 for this nailer. And then you got this pressure washer, completely electric, $160. And then you got this generator, this is 5,000 watt. It says use weight not big enough. So, and then $439 for this huge compressor on the back, belt driven. $498 for the rubber wheel chuck. These are excellent. I do have a few of these and they work excellent. And then you got this roller seat, pneumatic roller seat from Pittsburgh. We got $22.99 from 32. These are very inexpensive as well. And same thing with these guys, very, very inexpensive. I've used mine, I haven't broken it. I don't know if you use the heck out of it, it might break. So I don't know. Talking about something that will never break. Here you go. This is a really, really nice toolbox. $197. This is like 5 years ago pricing. Definitely check it out. Lots of colors to choose. And then you got the icon there at the end. Guys, that's it for today. I just wanted to show you guys what kind of tool deals you guys could get with this. Make sure you guys stay subscribed. Hit the bell. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. We post all the time for this Black Friday. We post Home Depot, Lowe's, all those stores. Definitely check it out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.